Your functional VO2 max effectively drops by 15% the moment you turn on your headlamp, even if your pace remains exactly the same. That performance drop isn't fear, it's cognitive load. In daylight, your brain uses optical flow to calculate speed and foot placement subconsciously. At night, this becomes a conscious, energy-intensive process. Your brain creates a safety brake, shortening your stride and increasing ground contact time to compensate for the lack of peripheral data. You are working harder to go slower. Most runners try to solve this with brighter lights, but here is the trap. A high-lumen headlamp mounted near your eyes flattens the terrain. It washes out shadows, making a 6-inch route look flush with the ground. The solution is triangulation. By adding a waist light, you create an angle of incidence that casts shadows behind rocks and roots. This restores depth perception, allowing you to maintain eccentric flow on descents without braking. Beyond vision, you must prepare for the circadian nadir between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. This is biological, not mental. Your core body temperature hits its daily minimum, and coordination plummets regardless of fitness. DNFs happen here because runners stop to fix problems and freeze. If you have a gear issue at night, use the static kill protocol. Do not stop moving until you have put on a layer or fix the issue while hiking. Respect the dark, triangulate your light, and keep moving.